Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate from scratch. First, let's talk about roasting cacao beans. Begin by selecting high-quality beans, as their origin and variety significantly impact the final taste. You'll want to roast these beans at approximately 121 degrees Celsius or 250 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 30 minutes. This crucial step develops the deep, rich, and complex flavors that we associate with delicious chocolate. Once your beans are perfectly roasted and cooled, it's time for winnowing. Gently crack the beans to separate the inner cacao nibs from their outer papery husks. You can use a simple method like crushing them and then blowing away the lighter husks. Next, grind these nibs in a melanger or a powerful food processor for several hours until they transform into a smooth, flowing chocolate liquor. This process refines the texture beautifully. Now we move to conching, a vital step for achieving that silky smooth texture. During conching, which can take anywhere from 12 to 72 hours, you'll add your desired amount of sugar. Typically, a good starting point is about 25 to 30% of the total weight. You can also incorporate other flavorings like vanilla or a pinch of salt at this stage. This long process ensures a perfectly smooth and well-developed flavor profile. Finally, we reach tempering and molding, which gives your chocolate its professional snap and shine. Tempering involves carefully heating your chocolate to 45 degrees Celsius, then cooling it down to 27 degrees Celsius, and finally reheating it to 32 degrees Celsius. This precise temperature control stabilizes the cocoa butter crystals. Once tempered, pour the liquid chocolate into your favorite molds and let it cool and set completely. Enjoy your homemade chocolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.